So this is going to be a short game, but I just joined this game just to point out the fact that someone's name is RKO, I think. No, it's actually R6KO. God damn it, what a buzzkill. I must be in one of those rooms where nobody fucking misses. Apparently. Remember the good old days of Showdown where everybody snipes up on this balcony right here? God. I used to be one of those fuckers.
Enemy down.
I wonder if this will even work. Well, I guess it did. No need to ask why, it will. Just have. I keep forgetting that's a common nade spawn on Showdown, because people, all they do is just chuck nades out towards this general direction as soon as they spawn, which I myself am guilty of. Like that.
Go, go, go!
Dude with P90. Probably gonna wreck you and your entire fucking family. Because that's how this shit works. Thankfully it didn't work that time. So how did that specialist manage to kill me first before that guy around the corner? Because I know there was someone else who went down that back alley. Yet I'm the one who died first? From behind? In that situation? Alright. I suppose this game was never meant to make sense. Let's just get out of there.
Enemy down.
I have no idea what that sound is, that little sound, but whatever. Not my business.
Hey, hey,
You know, if that lined up for another collateral, I would probably fucking freak the fuck out. Does this guy have martyrdom like a bitch? Yes, he did. Little bitch. And I was just about to pull the trigger, too. Or fucking shoot. But of course not. I try to shoot his arm, shoot the pole instead. Because potato aim!
round start.
God, don't you just love potato aim?
Enemy down.
Of course. I played on 4-bar for so long that any difference in ping is just disastrous. Like that kind of a fight that I did, that kind of a death that I just had right there is just disgusting. Like God, the ping is oozing from the pores, man. It's just fucking oozing. And of course the accidental sprint. Because in every game, you've always gotta have one kind of death where you die from sprinting or too early or too soon.
Team win.
Something like that. There's always gotta be that one death you have. Always that just one death.